Welcome to Module 2 of our Highway Design class. In Module 2, sorry, we will be creating existing ground surveys, and we will also create vertical profile, and we will create design profile from profile creation tools. So let's quickly do that. So before you create your surface from existing ground, so what we will do is for us to unisolate our point. So to unisolate your point, you click on point group. You click on point group. You come to where you have the center line. Then you right click. When you right click, you go to select. When you click select, you type in on isolate. On isolate. And you press enter. Okay. So we have on isolate the point number or the point group. Okay. So to create surface, you simply click on surface. You right click, go to create surface. So we are going to name our surface. You can call here a Yesana surface, Yesana surface 1. So let's just maintain that. Okay, so our style is going to be, so you click on the style. We're going to use contour and triangle, contour and triangle. You click OK. Then the next thing is for us to add the surface to the horizontal alignment. So we are going to add the surface to our alignment. So to do that, you click on surface, you click on the yes and surface, you click on definition, then you click on point group, you right click, you click on add. So you select all point, you click apply, you click OK. So the surface has been created. The surface has been created. So this is the surface. Okay. So the next thing that we will do now is for us to create a vertical profile. You have to create a vertical profile from the surface that we have created. Okay, to do that, you go to home, the home tab. You come to profile. You click on create surface profile. Create surface profile. So it will take you to this dialog box. You click on add. When you click on add, you click draw. You click next. Click next again. Click next. Click next. Click next. And click on create profile view. So you come to somewhere here and drop. Okay. So the vertical profile has been created. The vertical profile has been created. Now, if you notice here, you realize that there is a gap from here to here. Now, the reason why we have this gap from here to here is that the alignment is that alignment is out from the surface. The alignment is out from the surface. So what we need to do is to adjust the alignment into the surface. So let's take note of this. Let's take note of this. So we have here, this is Chainages 2 plus 40, 2 plus 40, 2 plus 40, Chainages 2 plus 140, 2 plus 140, 2 plus 140, 2 plus 140. So we come to where we have 2 plus 140. So this is 200, this is 150. So it's actually from here. So you click on the alignment, click on the center line. So when you click on the center line, when you click on the center line, let's look for, okay. So okay, so let's go back and check if it has been adjusted. No, it has not. So let's go back. Let's go back. 2 plus 2 plus. Okay. So this is it. So we adjust it again. So let's go back and check. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 140. Okay, so it has close up. Okay, then we also notice that this place also is out. So let's check. This is 3 plus 940. 3 plus 940. 3 plus 940. 3 plus 940. Okay, 3 plus 940. So let's push this into the surface. Let's go back and check. 3 plus 940. Okay, so I think everything is in order now. All the existing ground level as okay, we have this. So let's also adjust this. So let's trace it down. This is 0 plus 580, 0 plus 580. So this is this point, 0 plus 580. So let's adjust this in 0 plus 580, 0 plus 580. Okay, so everything is intact now. So we can now proceed. We can now proceed. So before we create our design level or design profile, we are going to do something here. So we have to change this. We have to change this. We have to change this chainage to interval of 25. So to do that, you click here, you right click, you click here, You come to horizontal, so you change this to 25. Okay, so it has automatically changed to interval of 25. So the next thing we want to do now is for us to create our design profile. We want to create our design profile now. So for us to do that, we have to study this profile very well. So let me do something. Vertical axis, vertical axis, okay, let's go to the graph, the grid. Okay, so let's increase this. Let's increase this by 2. Okay. Okay, so we have done this by increasing this vertical, the grid, by 2. Okay, so for us to create the design profile, what we need to do is we click on profile, we click on profile creation tool, we click on this. So here we name the profile as formation level. Some people actually name this as finished ground level, but in reality it's actually the formation level. So if you want to name it as finished ground level, you can go ahead and name it, but I always name this as my formation level. Okay, so we are going to click on the design criteria, on the design criteria. So we are going to click on this. So here the K value. Okay, now let us import the let's import the design template I have created already into that. So let me click here, come to this, come to this, come to this. Let me check this where I have this. Okay, okay, so I've already edited this. So click on OK, click on this. So uncheck this, click on OK, click on OK. So the first thing we will do here is we will set our curve. So you click on curve, we set this K value for crest curve and sack curve. So we are actually using parabolic. We are using parabolic curve. So for you to know the value of K, remember that our design speed is 60 kilometer per hour. So the K value for 60 kilometer per hour. So under 60, we have the crest vertical curve is 11, and the sag vertical curve is 18. So for crest, it is 11. So where is that crest curve? This is 11, and this one is 18. So let's confirm it. Okay, for sag is 18, for crest is 11. Okay, so we are good. Then the next thing is for us to draw tangent with curve. Draw tangent with curve. So you click here. So you have to study how this road. You have to study the existing ground level so that you know how to place your design level. So what I will do, I'll click here, click at this point, then look at this. Your cutting and your filling should not be too much. So let me look at this. Let me look at this. So there will be a cut at this point. Be a cut at that point. Then taking this again, taking this straight, taking this. I'm observing. I'm observing. So we pick it straight. Let's just okay. Let's drop it here. That we will not have much cut. So we pick this. We pick this. We drop it here. We now follow this. We now drop it here. We follow this. So we follow this and we move. So we move again. We take it straight. Press escape. Press escape. Okay, now if you look at this place, there is a bridge at this point because I'm familiar with this road. So there is a bridge here at this point. So that is why we have this point to be this deep. So there is a bridge somewhere here. There is a bridge. So when we'll be doing the detailing, I think we will detail that bridge out. Detail the bridge out. Okay, so let's look at our design level. Let's look at our design level. Let's look at our design level. Remember that the minimum curve is what? The minimum curve is 123. Minimum curve is 123. So when you check out this is lowest vertical curve. So this is just 49.66. So we have to work on this. Okay, so we have this to be 171, which is okay. Then we also need to work on this, your 6 point something. So you click here. This is 80. It's not still not It is not enough. Okay, it's not still enough. Okay, so that one is okay. So we look at this. This is just 21. So we work on this. This 89. This 124. I think that one is okay. This 59. So we have to work on this. Okay, 124. So that one is okay. This 170. It's okay. This is 149. So it's okay. This is 102. Which is not okay. So we work on it. Okay. So this one is just 19. So we work on it. 76. So let's adjust this curve. 23. So we can adjust it more. Okay. Draw that curve again. Okay, so we have done the adjustment. So the next thing we will still do is to check this curve if there is need for us to adjust it further. So if I want to reduce the level of cuts, I can still work on this curve. I can still work on this. I can bring this down. Can bring this down. Can bring this down a bit. Then I can pick this up. Can pick this up. So here they will be filling. Here they will be cutting. Here they will be filling. Here they will be cutting. They will cut here. We want to bring this down a bit. You can still bring it down. This will become okay. So we have finished doing that. So we have been able to create our surface from existing ground level, and we have created a design profile. We have created our design. We have created our vertical design profile. So we have created the vertical profile, which is from the existing ground level. Then we have created design profile from profile creation tool. Okay, so let's see if time will permit us to start setting our band. Now, before we start setting our band, let me begin to do some saving while preparing our template, because we are going to use this as our template, so that when you want to start a new job, you don't need to go back and start doing the setting again, because sometimes setting is time consuming. Now, for you to hide this surface, you click on the surface, you come to edit surface. There are two ways you can do it. You can do it from here by switching off this bulb, and you can equally do it from surface property. So you come here. When you come here, you click no display. When you click on no display, the surface will go off. Surface will go off. Okay. So when you want to save some of the setting on the horizontal alignment, you click on the center line. You come to where you have edit, edit. Now we can save label as. So here you can put your name or whatever name that you want to save it with. So let me use my name. Okay, so I will just save it. But if I want to do a new job, I will just use this template without going through the setting process again. Okay, so now we want to rearrange this band. We want to rearrange the band now. We want to rearrange the band so that it will reflect the ground level and the design level. So to do that, you click here, click on the profile, you click on profile view property. Click on profile view property. Now, if you want to add cut and fill, the shaded area cut and fill, what you just need to do is you click on cut, you click on fill area, and you click apply. So you now see this is the area of cut and this is the area of fill. This is the area of fill. Okay, so that as we have done that. So we go back to profile view. We click on, okay, sorry, please. Okay, for us to rearrange this band, so what we need now is we click on this, we right click, we click on edit band style, edit band style. So we want to start the editing now. Okay, so you click compose level, compose level. So the first thing that we want to do, we want to create the design. We want to set the existing ground level, the existing ground level. So what we do, you click here. Okay, under here, when you want to set the existing ground level, what you do here is every other information here will be false. So you under station value, you click false. Then under finish ground level, you also click false. Okay, then under existing ground level, it it remain true. So now we want to edit the content. So you highlight the whole of this, come to format. You are using area, so you click on area, click here. Okay, then you come to by layer, you click OK, come here, click white, OK, apply, apply. Okay, so this first row is for your existing ground level, is for your existing ground level, which is this one, the existing ground level. So we want to add the formation level, want to add the formation level. So you click on this again. No, to add formation level, what we need, you click here, then you go to profile view, you come to band, under band, you click here, elevation and station. So you click on elevation and station, you click add, and you click OK. You apply, and you click OK. Okay, so let's click on it again, but we don't want that gap to be there. So you come here, you change this to 0. Change this to 0. So we have created the formation level. We have created the formation level now. We have created the formation level now. So the next thing we want to create, we are going to create another role, which is the finished ground level. The finished ground level. So you click again, you come to this, you click on elevation and station, you click on add, you click OK, you apply, you apply. So you go back again because we don't want the gap to be there. So under this, we change this to 0. Change this to 0. Click OK. Okay. So the next one that we want to create now, we are going to, so we have the existing ground level, the formation level, the finished ground level. Then the next one that we are going to create now will be our drain invert level. So let's go back. Drain invert level. Drain invert level. So we come to here, we come to elevation and station. Okay. Apply. Change it to 0. Apply. Okay. So we have created that now. We have created that now. Now let's create the last one, which is the chainage. Which is the chainage. So we go back here. We go to profile view property. Under station. Click add. We add that is station. So you change this to 0. Okay. Apply. Okay. So now by the time you check this station, you see that this station is lying horizontally. So we want to change it to lie along this as it is. And before we do it, we do that, we have to correct this chainage. So to correct this, we right click, go to provide view property. Under chainage, click on user specify. This is 0. Then click apply. Okay, so it has rearranged the chainage to 0, 0. Okay. So we want to rearrange this. This chainage. Want to rearrange this chainage and to also change the color to us to white and to make sure it aligns vertically as this one is. So you click on this, go to edit band style, edit band style. Come to where you have compose level. Okay. Under value, station value, under station value. So the first thing, we want to change the color of the content. So you click there and we click here, area, then change this to white. You can bold it and so okay. So the rotation angle, so we are going to change it to 90. Rotation angle, we are going to change it to 90. Change it to 90. Then this black and white. Okay, fine. Okay. So we have successfully changed this and rotated. but we are not comfortable, so we want to make sure we shift this down so that it will now light properly. So we go back to edit band style, we click on up, no, we click on compose label. Now text under text under text, so let's work on, so under text, so we have to offset this. So let's start with 5 and let's this one be -5 and see what is going to happen. Apply, apply, apply. Okay, so we go back, we are not comfortable with that, so we go back, go back, we so let's work on this first and see what it's going to give us. Okay, okay, so at the center is, I think we are okay. No, it has to align with it, either it will fall by this, and so let's go back and work on it again. Let's go back and work on it again. Compose, compose. So let's change this. Let me change this to minus and see what. Okay, fine. Changing this to minus, it has given us something very close. Okay, so let's go back again. Let's go back again. Compose. And let's check out this 7. Okay, so let's go back again and change this to 5 and see what it's going to give us. Okay, fine. I think 5 is okay. I think 5 is okay. So let's go back now and work on this. So let's remove this and see. No. Okay. So this will now become, let's change this to -6. -6. Okay, let's go back and change this to -7. Fine, I think that is okay. That is perfect. But this font size, the text size is bigger than this. So let's reduce it. Let's reduce it. So we can reduce this to 3. See how it goes. Okay, fine. That is perfect. Okay, so we want to extend this line down. We want to extend this line down. So what do? We click here, we right click, come to edit band style, come to display. Under display, we are going to click this. We are going to click this. We're going to click this band title box. We click it, band title box text. Then we click on major stick. Okay, so let's apply. Fine. Everything is okay now. So it has extended this other title box. So let's also do it for this one. Let's do it for this one to get the title box. So here, band title box, band title box, band title box. We click band title box. Okay, so let's still go back. We want to get the text. So we click on the band title box text. So you on the above, click here. Okay, so we have done that. We have done this, but I want to centralize this text. I want to centralize this change. The way it is, I'm not very comfortable. So I click on this again. Come to this one. Then click on band detail. Come to compose. Come to compose. Then let's change this to, let's say, 8. Okay. Let's still go back. Let's still go back. So we can change this to 9. I'm not still satisfied with that. So let's go back. Then let's change it to -10. Very small. So let's keep adjusting it. So let's make it 12. -12. Okay. So fine. Okay, so we have set up the band. We have setting up band to reflect existing ground level, finished ground level, for formation, finished ground level, uh, uh, formation level, design ground level, and then invert drain level and chainages. So we have done that. We have done that. Let's go back, check if we still have time. We don't want the video to be too long. Okay. So let's now work on this. Let's now work on this so that when we change, everything will now change. So let's click on this. We want to, okay. So to work on the left hand side, which has to do with profile data, here we want the real name of this, the real title to appear here, which is the existing ground level, the formation level, the finish level, the invert drain level, and here will be the chainage. So we want to edit, so the name will reflect here, the name will appear here. So for us to do that, the first thing I will do here is I'm gonna change, I'm gonna rename the ground level. So you click on alignment, Click on alignment, click on center line, then click on yes and root alignment. Then under profile, you click. Then here we have a yes and surface. So you click on it. A yes and surface 1. So you click on property. So this will now become the ground. This will now become existing ground level. Existing ground level. Okay, existing ground level. So you click on apply. You click on OK. So now let's go back and edit this so that the name will reflect here. So that the name will reflect here. So you click on this, you right click. For you to work on the left hand side, when you click on this, you click on edit band style, come to compose label. Compose label. So you click here. You click here. Text, under text. Under text. Now the text height, I want to change this text height to 3. Change the text height to 3. Then I want to change the color of the text. Okay, let me work on the content first. So now I will click on profile data. Let me click on profile 1 name. Profile 1 name. Profile 1 name. Just profile 1 name. Yes. So I will edit this area. Then this will be white. Okay. So we now change the color to white. Okay, so the color have changed now. The color have changed. Click on apply. Okay, fine. Don't worry about this. We are going to work on it, so it's gonna change to the original. So now let's also edit this. Let's edit this again. The 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 band height is 25. The box width is 50. So let's increase this to like 100. Let me increase this to 100 and see. Okay, 100. I think 100 is too much. Let me increase this to 75. 75 is okay. Okay, 75 is okay. 75. So we can do the same for this one. Can do the same for this. Can do the same for this. So this is 75. Apply. Then we go to compose. Go to compose. So we change this to 3. Then we change this. We change this. We change this to name 2. So we click it in. Then we format it area. Convert it. Then you change the color to white. Okay. Okay. So in this case, this is what we are going to do. So we go back. We go back to this one. We go back to this. Go to. We click on this again. Now let's change Chainage in meter. Chainage in meter. Okay. So we will do all these adjustment one after the other. So okay, let's do it at once so that let's do it at once. Come here, label, text. Okay. Let's say this is 5. Let's say 7. No, so we don't need that. This is 0. So let's 6. No. So it means that we are going to put -6. Okay, fine. So this, let's put -8. Now, as you are doing it, you'll be observing it here as it is moving. So we can actually put -10, -10, -10. Okay. Okay, so fine. Okay, so let's just let's change this. So you click for you to change this and to also effect the changes here. So you click on the profile, you come to profile view, then under band. Now you allow the face row under profile 1 and 2. Allow it as existing ground level. Then here you change this to formation level. You change this to formation level. Now we have not done not done our finished ground level yet. So we still allow that to remain. So until when we do the design for the finished ground level. Okay. So you can see now this has changed. And when you also look at this, you see that this is 64.34, this is 64.78, this is 64.31, this is 64.2. So meaning that it has affected the changes in the cut and fill, the changes in the cut and fill, and this now has grown. This has actually increased, so we can bring this. We can bring this down. Adjust this. So let's adjust this. Let's adjust this. Let's adjust this to something reasonable. Okay, so I think that one is okay. This other one is still okay. Okay, we hope to stop here for this module 2 because we don't want the video to be unnecessarily prolonged. So see you in our next model. Thank you.